Welcome to Creamer Media's Resources Watch, a weekly video roundup of the events and people making and shaping the news in the mining industry. This week, Pan-African surface operations are pumping cash. The steel industry talks call for protection and competitiveness balance. And gold revenue will fund resource development at the Shiva mine. London-listed Pan-African Resources has entrenched itself as a cash-pumping surface operator in the 12 months to June 30.
Well, we're very happy with certainly with the performance of our surface assets. As we mentioned, Phoenix has turned around and generated close on 30 million rands worth of cash in the last year, despite the issues we're currently having with IFM. And then obviously the Barberton tailings plant has been a fantastic success, payback of 18 months, producing gold at under $450 per ounce. Recently, as you said, we commissioned the ETRP at Evander. Again, great success, lesser ounces, 10,000, but still, producing at a very competitive cost with a very long life of mine. So I think it's fair to say, as you've pointed out, that we are now very firmly entrenched as a surface tailings operator and miner.
Current discussions between government and the steel industry are focused primarily on striking the appropriate balance between protection and competitiveness.
The steel industry has seen a sharp rise in imports, particularly from Asia. Government has approved increased tariffs on 3 steel products, and we are evaluating the case for further products to be provided with tariff support. As we do so, we send a signal that we will do what is necessary to assist companies to weather the storms and the headwinds. But we are also sending a message in our talks with those companies that they need to invest in their competitiveness instead of relying simply on trade measures.
Revenue from gold production and other activities is intended as a source of funding for uranium resource development and future uranium production at JSE-listed Oak Bay Resources and Energy's Shiva uranium mine.
As we speak, we have a plan to get a capital raising program going, and we are going to develop this mine into the next phase where we can do uranium production. For the time being, we're doing the gold plant. We're running the gold plant production. So you could see in the future that this will take this mine into a next level. If you compare this mine to a greenfield level, where people are still in the exploration phases, this is going to take about 5 to 7 years for them to come to a phase where we are. So we've got a great price advantage.
For mining news as it breaks, stay logged onto miningweekly.com and register for our free daily newsletter.